I'm going to show you a Thai recipe, Khai Luuk Kheuy.
In this recipe, the eggs are wrapped in breaded meat and eaten with the tamarind dipping sauce. Start by preparing the meat envelope. For this, cut 12 ounces of pork loin into chunks. You can also use chicken meat. Peel 1/2 clove of garlic. Mince 1 shallot. Blend them with the meat. Put them in a mixing bowl. Finely slice 2 kaffir lime leaves. If you don't have any, you can use the zest of half a lime. Roll them up and cut them very finely. Put them with the meat. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Combine. Then let rest while continuing the preparation. For the dipping sauce, crush 1.5 ounces of palm sugar. Put them in a small saucepan, then add 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Mix and heat over low heat until the sugar has melted. Stir from time to time. Meanwhile, prepare 4 soft boiled eggs. Boil them for 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Remove them and put them in cold water to stop the cooking. After 10 minutes, the sugar has melted. Turn off the heat and set aside. Slice 2 shallots and 0.5 ounces of cilantro into sections. Peel the eggs. Put a little oil on the ends. Divide the meat into 4 parts. Also put a little oil on the board. Flatten 1 part. Coat each egg in all-purpose flour and completely enclose it in the meat. The flour helps to do it. To make the breading, I have in this order 1.5 ounces of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs beaten with a little salt, and 1.5 ounces of panko. Take a 1 egg meatball. First, cover it with flour. I use my right hand to handle everything dry. Then, dip the meatball in the egg using the left hand. Finally, cover with panko. In the oil heated at 320 degrees, fry some dry chilies for 10 seconds. Also fry the shallots for about 2 minutes, stirring regularly. Put the meatballs in the oil, still at 320 degrees, heated over medium heat for 10 minutes. Flip them from time to time for even cooking. Remove them and let them cool for 5 minutes. To serve them, cut them in 2. Sprinkle with the fried shallots and the cilantro. In Thailand, we enjoy eating fried chilies with this dish. Serve them with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The egg yolk is still soft and creamy. The meat around the egg is very fragrant. The tamarind dipping sauce enhances the dish. The fried shallots add a tasty and crunchy touch. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.